Hey everyone, my name's Alessandra. I would love to show you around my Central Florida backyard just to give you a sense of what you can grow here in a pretty small space. I've got a lot going on, including fruits, vegetables, and butterflies, and my puppy. First things first, gotta feed Wally. Something about magical hose water for him. So I have a quick overview. I just want to give you a sense of what my yard looks like right now. It's about midday at the very end of April here, so there's some shadow overcast. But just quickly at a glance, I have a giant sweet almond bush, some milkweed station. This area here I'll go over in another video, but these are all my fruits and vegetables that are currently in the works. If you're a gardener, you probably recognize some of the Earthboxes, city pickers that I'm using. I also have some green stalk gardening stacked towers here. I have some just a standalone plant over here, but then this section here, kind of hovering around my bananas, is my, I'll call my butterfly little way station. Let me back up so you can get a sense of what it is. Wally's gonna help me. But essentially my bananas provide really great shade coverage between that and the house. So I've got kind of a half a circle going around the banana tree in boxes. They're all set up on an automatic water system for the most part. Oh, Wally. And these are all butterfly pollinator plants. And then over here I have my butterfly room, which we have tied off to the fence, so in case of a little storm it doesn't go anywhere, fold in on itself. But I just wanted to show you guys my butterfly room. We have some great activity going on. We've got another butterfly here getting ready to get out. You can probably let him go soon. See another one down there. But for now, this is what my my backyard setup is. So we've got a nice butterfly room where all of our caterpillars and milkweed to go, a big butterfly and pollinator habitat over here under the bananas, some green stalk towers that are going to be getting redone soon. And then we get into the fruit and vegetable section. Of course, our nice giant pollinator favorite, the almond bush. And our Wally. Wally, where are you going? You're supposed to be helping. And of course, Wally, who likes to watch our butterflies float around. If you guys want to see more of what's in my yard, make sure to subscribe, as I'll be giving updates and sharing what's growing next.